Salut tout le monde, mon nom c'est Zare. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Zare and today I have a Saab 2006 93 Combi. So I'm gonna show you how to replace the signaling which comes with the cruise control switch. I'm gonna show you how to replace that. The one on the car is broken, so let's go ahead and do it. So to remove the switch, I'm gonna unlock the locking mechanism here. I'm gonna push it upwards. This switch is broken, so the mechanism is visible here, so I'm gonna push it up and pull the switch out. So the switch came outside, so the switch is broken, as you see. So this is the new switch, so we're gonna just push it in. That's how we're gonna put it in and push it all the way. As you see, it clicked in, and that's how we replace the switch. Now, if the switch was not broken like this, there's a tiny hole underneath. We need something pointy like this, and we're gonna put it in and push it and pull the switch outside. So you see how it came out? So that's if the switch is not broken. As you see the hole over here. So I'm gonna push it back in. So that's how we replace the switch. So if you like what I'm doing in this channel, please give me a thumbs up and thanks for watching.